Good day, everyone. Brienne here from PicSite, and today I'm going to be showing you how to incorporate pigment, marble, or any art projects that you have. If you work with Procreate or any other digital programs, if you have photos, or you could even do family photos in your journal. I'm going to show you how to make a collage or how to incorporate your art into Zinnia. The main focus I'm doing is more for pigment and marble, but you can use this for literally anything. So just keep that in mind when I am going through this with you today. So I worked on a portfolio, it's called portfolio, of some of my work that I've made in marble and in pigment. I put together some collages and some other things. I'm just going to click on that now. So here are some of the pieces that I have made journaling. You could use this as a portfolio for work if you are an artist, and you can keep it really clean and you don't have to have all the writing and all the stickers and all that stuff. Or you can kind of spice it up for your own personal portfolio, or for yourself, or to show family and friends. And you can kind of do stuff like this. So this is a piece that I colored. It's called Gambit. Well, it is the character Gambit from X-Men. And then, of course, Spider-Man. So I just kind of did some random brush strokes and put a couple of stickers in there and just kind of made it my own and had some fun with it. And I outlined the fact that it is marble. So that's one that I did. And I did another one for marble over here with Deadpool and the Phoenix. Phoenix is also from X-Men, amongst other things. So I kind of did that one, and you can sign the bottom and you can just have fun with it. So I'm just going to show you a couple more examples, and then we'll actually get into making one of these. And then this one was super simple. I just kind of added in these white little dots and squiggles for fun, but I could have left it plain just to showcase some art. I have stuff from marble, pigment, and I just made it like a collage, a very close-knit collage with different art pieces that I have colored and done in the past. And I did this one. This is a single piece. This was colored in pigment. It's not available in pigment. It was an import page. And this was the original piece that I colored. And then I just kind of used the washi tape around it, signed it, added some stars, just kind of funked it up and made it fun. I did that one today. I was playing around. And then I also did this one recently, where I just added some newer works that I've done and with some older ones. This is an older piece actually, but these three are new. And I just kind of called it blues because they all kind of have represented some kind of bluish tones in them, and I kept the background blue. So there's lots of stuff that you can do when you're creating your own art portfolio. Like I said, if it's for yourself, you can kind of have fun, but you can also do it if you're going to be handing in for a job, let's say, or whatnot. So I'm going to try and use different pieces. I'm not even 100% sure what I have here. So let's go to new page, and I always like to pick a fun color for the background. So you can pick the pre-selected colors here, or you can hit this little icon there and it'll bring up your triangle circle, and then you have other colors here that you can just default to. So if you want like a greeny blue, I'm thinking of possibly doing like a purple because I haven't done that yet, but I want more of a deeper purple. Maybe go there. And then when you're done, just click away. I like using the blank page because I'm adding photos, but you can definitely, if you want to make it more like a divided book and you want to have, like, let's say a picture on each side, you can, actually, you know what, let's use the spread for once because I haven't used it yet. I've always used the blank. So I'm going to use the spread. And then it brings up your colored purple page that I just made, or that you made, whatever color you decide. Now, there's a couple different ways that you can start out. I like to start out by bringing my pictures in. So what I do is I just click the little picture icon up here, and then I just look through my works. As you can see, I have quite a few coloring pages that I haven't even done yet. This is one that I did recently that I haven't made portfolio for. That's a domino. Just looking through, I kind of want stuff that blends in with the purples. Could use something like that. It's going to download from the cloud for me. It's pinky purpley, so we can kind of just make it work. And you can do stuff on an angle. You don't have to have the corners right in. You can make it a bit funky if you want. So this was a girl that I colored in pigment from a book called Sketchy Portraits. And then you can add some stickers, or you can finish off and get all your pictures incorporated. I'm gonna get all my pictures incorporated first before I decide what stickers and whatnot I'm gonna use. I'm gonna stick with pieces that I actually colored in pigment. So maybe like this fast car. I try to keep the color motif the same. Now you don't have to do that. That's just kind of a personal preference for me. And having the division in the page gives you a sense of flipping through a book. So if you're really trying to make a two-sided portfolio, then this would work out very nicely. Now let's grab one more picture. So this is all from my camera roll. I even have pictures of my family on here. Like I said, you could definitely see there's my son. You could definitely do that as well. It's entirely up to you. This is kind of fun. Let's use this one. So this is Storm from Young Marvel in Marvel. So I'll mix Marvel and pigment together. So we got this picture I'm using as my focal point. I got the car, and then I got this, and they all kind of have purples in them. So I think that's good for now. We can go and we can grab some stickers now and just kind of have some fun with it. So I'm not sure exactly what I want to put on there, but if you have any ideas, like you could type in here, like since I have a car there, I could search instead of looking through everything and just go cars and see what comes up. Bring my arrow down there, my keyboard down, just kind of look through. So there's keys, which is kind of cool. I wasn't even thinking about keys, but that might actually be a nice touch. I really like these antique keys. It doesn't have to be anything particular. It can just, you can just do it because you like it. And you can change the colors of your stickers too. I'm not sure if everyone is aware of that. I'm gonna wait though, just hold on. I'm just gonna see if I want anything else from the selection. So yeah, even pictures like this, like the retro kind of car, but it's not a retro car, so I'm not gonna use anything too retro, unless I use something small, but no, I don't think so. I think I got mostly a key out of this. Okay, so that's good. So we got a key. Now, if you hit the key, you can turn down the opacity of the key, and usually you can change the color, but I'm seeing in this particular sticker, I don't think that you're able to because the option isn't coming up, but most of the time you can change the color of your stickers. The option will present itself if you are able to do it. I'll try and pick one where I can change it. So if I went to something, maybe like the brush circles, I'll pick that one. There, it gives me the option to change the color. So let's say I just want white. I just want a white brush circle. Well, there we go. We got our white brush circle. And then you can just add wherever you see fit, wherever you think it might go. Now, the key, I'm wondering if I still want it or not. Sometimes I pick things because I like it, but then I'm like, why is there a key? So we'll remove that. I think I like more of the just abstract patterns because there's no rhyme or reason why they're there. They're just kind of, you know, add to the picture. So we can also do, if let's say you wanted to do a bright pink, so you could make that flower bright pink to kind of mix in with the other stuff. And you can overlap, you don't have to overlap. It's completely up to you what you do. You can kind of connect these a little bit if you want and just give a little bit of connection there, or you can leave it. I know there's a divided line there, but I always see it flat, so it doesn't matter. But yeah, there's lots that you can do by just adding in random stickers and having fun. I'm just trying to think of what else I might want in here. You know, I'm gonna leave the stickers for now, and then I'm gonna go to my brush strokes. I'm gonna pick out the white. I love using the brush pen because it gives for a really nice calligraphy look if you're interested in doing your own writing. So we'll stick with that. And then I can write stuff up here like, no, hold on. Sometimes it takes a couple of tries for me to get, no, because I missed the G. So you can write in, like, I colored that one in pigment. I can go over here and change up the colors and do, like, let's say a bright blue, and change up my writing a little bit and go Marvel, even add a star. Like, it's just about having fun and making it interesting. There's no real way to do things. I mean, there is if you want there to be a way, but it's just about being creative, just like when you color, just like when you draw. It's just about creativity. You can add hearts if you want. And they actually have some really, cute hearts in the stickers here. So if you want to go here, I think this was a newer one. So something like this. Or if you want something a little bit more, something you can adjust the colors on, just search hearts. And then you'll get this big selection. And you can go through and pick one that you want. I'm just looking. Maybe I'll just use this one because it's simple. I'll make it white. And I'll just put it there. Now, if you want, you can also easily add text. So let's say I decide I don't want this marble anymore. I just go to my eraser, make sure I don't erase the other part. Done. Go to text. I'm just gonna tap anywhere for now. And okay. What do I want? I'm gonna pick a font. We'll use that. Oh, I don't know what happened there. Okay, there we go, that's working. So then we'll go and we'll pick our font. I'm already on the font I want. I don't want it at 80, that's way too big. So we'll put it maybe at like 50, I think should be big enough. And then if I want to use that blue again, I can go click over here and then just scroll and grab that nice bright blue. Okay, so that's good. And then let's type. So go actually we'll do all caps. Marble. Okay. Bring it down. Turn it over. And then there. Simple as that. And then what I like to do is I have fun and I love using the brush pen. I just mentioned that. So I'll go and I use the white or whatever colors I want. And then I just go through, oh, go back. First I gotta go done. Okay, and then I just, oops, hold on a sec here. My brush, that's what I want, okay. And then I just go through and sometimes add I do this a lot. I just have fun adding like my own squiggly detail and dots. So you can just add dots or sometimes add little lines. And if you don't like anything, just hit the back button. It'll erase it and it'll give you another shot to draw it in the way that you want. Sometimes I like doing stars. Let's go to this bright pink here. Do a star, maybe a couple little dots. And it's just being creative and using your imagination. That's really all it is. And then sometimes I like to sign, so I'll go here and I'll go, if I don't like it, I just erase it and try again. I didn't care for that much, it was too big, I found. So just go off to the side. I use the name Breezy a lot when I make art. Let's put Breezy in there. And then I can add other dots if I want. Or not. I just kind of play around and doodle until I get something I think I like. And I usually add a lot of different details. So if I go here and I want, let's say I want this bright blue because Marvel's bright blue over here, just to add a dot. I can, if I want, and I want more stickers on the side there, I actually think I might use a car. I'll go to cars again. I just got an idea to use one. And then I'll just maybe grab, just trying to see. Maybe I'll grab something like that. No, I don't like it. I just pull it down if I don't want it. It goes somewhere. I'm not sure where it goes, but it doesn't go on my page. Maybe just something like that. And then I'll just put this here. Flip it over. Oops, go there. Just want to make sure it's lined up the way I want it. And then, actually, you know, maybe, no, I think that's okay. And if you want to just look at other stuff, you can go back to the beginning. Another thing that I do like to use is the washi tape. There it is. So go to the washi tape and I'm just gonna look through it and see if I find something that I like. The washi tape is cool because you can pull it right through and you can make it small, you can make it big, whatever you decide, whatever you want it to be. I really like using these kind of black and white ones up here. I think they're really nice, but I used it already today, so I'm looking for something a little bit different. Maybe something like this. So take that color out. No, I don't like it. I want something darker, I think. Yeah, maybe that. So then I just flip it around. You can make it small and then you can drag it. And you could drag it right through your page if you wanted to. But I'm not. I'm just gonna drag it to there. And then it just fills it in. And then if you wanted it again or pick a different color even, maybe pick this color instead. Flip it again. But I don't like that, so it's gone. No, I think that's good. Washi tape, you can use it to make like borders all the way around, run lines through. There's so much that you can do with it. It's a lot of fun. So I think I'm gonna stick to my doodling And I'm going to grab the pink again, and I'm just going to add a couple last minute little doodles. Just make that flower a little bit nicer. So you can draw your own stuff to decorate your page whatever way you want. And you can add, I like filling it up. I like it, I think it looks nice when it's full and has lots of designs and decorative work, but you don't have to if you're more conservative and you want to do something like I said for work. This isn't for anything but my own enjoyment, so I kind of just decorate it the way that I see fit. So I have reference for my work, or I can see all my work in a fun place. And then there. And then if I decide, if you decide that you don't want something, like let's say I decide I don't want that washi tape, which I'm kind of deciding, just like that, get rid of it, simple. And then I prefer, I think I might just wanna go back to my calligraphy pen here and just kind of do some weird little swirls instead. Make my own weird squirrely tape. So yeah, so that says, and you can even add to stickers. So let's say I wanted to draw on the sticker and I wanted to add more design to it, then you can go around and add, you know, white dots here. You can put stickers on pictures. You can use stickers in pictures to add embellishment. So there's tons of stuff that you can do. I can write in my picture if I wanted to do stuff. So you can technically draw in your picture and enhance it if you wanted to. But I'm just gonna leave it simple for today. We can revisit this maybe another time and I can do something a little bit more advanced, but I just wanted to show you that you can do really cool stuff with your artwork in Zinnia, and you can also do scrapbooking for family pictures. So if you have pictures of your sons, daughters, you know, any family members, can add them in here and add all these stickers, and then add moments and occasions for love. You can date things, like certain occasions, like your child's first birthday or first haircut, and you can do all of that in Zinnia, which is pretty cool. So anyways, I think we're going to be done with this page for now, and then I'll just leave it there. So this is kind of my art portfolio that I've started. I hope that you guys enjoyed this today. This is Brianne from Pixite, and we'll see you again next time, guys. Bye.